it's Gina with WTI. Are your rabbits chewing up every litter box that you put inside their cage? Mine have been doing that, and so I decided to check out this litter box from Zuqqony. So some things about this litter box that I think are outstanding are that number one, it's stainless steel. We know that rabbits love to chew on things, and this is going to help to prevent them from ruining a litter box quickly. Also, because it's stainless steel, I find that it cleans up better than a plastic litter box. Secondly, this has super high sides on it, even without the plastic cover. So if you have buns like mine that kind of squat in a corner when they want to go pee, sometimes that can splash up. And this prevents that from happening, keeps it in the container. So things are much cleaner inside the hutch. The grate is really comfortable for the bunnies' feet, and it's high up. So again, there's more room for them when they need to use the bathroom. I found that my bunnies preferred not to have the plastic cover on it, although this snaps on and comes off easily. The hay holder has 3 hooks on it that fit neatly onto the side of the plastic cover, but if you choose not to use the cover, you could just place it inside the litter box, which is what I did, or you could always hang it somewhere else. This has been a great litter box. I can't recommend it enough, and that's my point of view.